Welcome back. Today we have Supreme Week 2 season. I forgot what season we're on. So this is this week's Droplists. Yeah, so we have these shoes going on, the Supreme Nike SB Dunk Lows. They're about going around 110. These, if you're trying to resell these, you should go for them because they look kind of fire in their own unique way. These are probably gonna resell for like around 300 or 200, like above 100 if they get a lot of hype around it. But usually Nike and Supreme collabs get a lot of attention, so this should be first on your list if you're trying to get it. I would recommend going for the red colorway and the white one because I think that's going to be the most one that everybody's going to go after. Second is probably going to be the black ones, and then the third is probably the middle one, which is the blue and golden one. So yeah, pretty much we have all these regular. This is probably already released in a different colorway. I would recommend going for the red one, and then the blue one, and then the black one, and last I think the striped one. On my opinion, I think the striped one is ugly. Yeah, so just try to go for the red one most likely, because that's what's gonna be reselling. These are going around 168, but probably resale is gonna be like 300 around there, or 250. So you should be able to make $100 profit out of this. And next item we have is the flags LS top. These are pretty ugly in my opinion, except for the first one. But then the other colorways are ugly and they're going around $88. They're overpriced. I could get like a Guess shirt that's like $40, and it looks exactly the same, just that the logo. These S logo sweatpants, these usually go for around 100, and these are way too overpriced. I don't know why they also sell that, but these are gonna sell out because these are common items that release, even though they're releasing on a different colorway. But you could probably make $50 out of that. This one's gonna be a good one to resell. Well, maybe not, because it's kind of weird but cool at the same time. You get me? Like, some colorways will do good, some colorways will do bad. Most likely the red and black one is always the one that sells the most. So for 160, you're probably gonna be making like $100 on that. And then this one, this is like a weird tee, one of those weird, you know, those weird people, like, I'm sorry if you wear these tees, but one of those weird people that wear these tees. So yeah, that's overpriced. That's probably gonna stay around there. And then we have the military cap. This is probably gonna resell for like $30 more. And then this piece is the low-key fire piece. You need to get your hands on this. This is $188, close to $200, but this is gonna resell close to $300 to $400, most likely $500 if it goes well. So the heavy nylon pants, that's probably gonna go with the track. I had nylon pants back then, and they're most likely track pants. And then these cargo pants, they're probably gonna go with the sweater that's below it. And these are probably like whack pieces. There's only like 2 fire pieces in this week, so don't get your hopes up for like trying to get something, because most likely everybody's gonna get what you want, which is the 2 in the top. The waffle pocket tee, that's pretty whack. World famous, that's whack too. And then the tribal camel sweater, it's going for 150. It's pretty overpriced. I don't know why they put it like that, but yeah. So yeah, if you want to get up to date on the latest sneaker and Supreme releases, and sometimes BARLOS, make sure to subscribe, because I'm gonna be doing that every week, and I'm gonna be doing live cops for you guys to see. So make sure you subscribe and like the video to help the algorithm, you know, trying to get back on the game.